I'm in Python. Idle. Oh god. What is wrong with what the Okay, not that one. Is this legal, by the way? Like, am I allowed to do this? Okay, wait, watch this. I made this. Check this out. Enter number. Pretty freaking cool, right? I made a calculator that can add. I made that. By made, I mean I copied the teacher. Okay, here I am. So, let me pull up my assignment and it says I have to use the textbook, but I don't even know like where in the textbook what am I doing? Because there's no page of the textbook I have to go to. It just says use the textbook. But I'm like, what in the textbook am I using? And then all this is from another assignment that I did. So ignore all of this. I was gonna use it as like a baseline, but this is my assignment. Using the pseudocode style presented in the textbook, write a pseudocode algorithm that calculates the total amount of a meal purchased at a restaurant. The program should ask the user to enter the charge for food, then calculate the amount of a 15% tip and 7% sales tax. Display each of these amounts and the total. So I have to do this pseudocode and then actually code it. In the textbook. What the freak is the textbook gotta do with any of this? God, where's like the dark mode, bro? It kind of hurts my eyes. Oh, Nyanza? What is hash map? What is that? Coders don't know what. Okay, I'm not a coder, bro. I've never coded in my life. This is my first ever class I'm taking besides Java, and I hated Java. And I'm taking Python now. I don't even know how to do anything. I'm literally brand new. Don't blame me, Blaze. I'm a baby. This is my first day on Earth with coding. Okay, it's my first day on Earth. I don't know anything at all. And then display the cause some first plus tip, not tit, thank you. I need to add, I think I need tip percentage, tax percentage. Bro, this beeping is crazy actually. You got this? I don't even know what I'm doing. Wait. Does the tax, is there tax with the tip? Like, is it supposed to be the tip? The tip is getting tip equals first. I don't know what I'm doing. First plus tip. First tip total. Is this actually correct? There's no way. Making an equation? I guess so. Nerd? Stop! It's my homework. The variable's not food. Well, it's the charge, I guess. Does it matter that much? But if I know what it means, it's fine, right? Yes? Oh my god. Easier for other people when they look at your code? Like, I don't care about them. I don't care about them. Maybe there's something stupid and come back in a week you won't know. I know what's going on. I know what food tip total means. Oh god, bro. Just name them X, Y, and Z? I think I might. Charge plus tip? Oh, yeah, one. Can I do like tip? Wait, why is this here? Okay, let me read my thing. Hold on. Bro, I can't even see. I'm like leaning into my monitor because I can't see. It's so small. How do I see? I can't code push pin. Okay, that makes two of us at least. Work backwards? Okay. Wait, you're kind of smart. I also can't code, but it's not gonna stop me from backseating. What is the total charge? This is pseudocode. What does the numbers matter? Oh, the total charge. Wait, the total charge is for the food. I'm confused. Total charge is the food that the person buys. Hold on, I'm thinking really hard. Hold on. Bro, I actually, oh my god, it's so hard to look at my screen, like actually. Delete what you have? No. I'm thinking. Get away from me. Yeah, I don't know why I had all this extra total stuff, I'm gonna be honest. I don't even know why. Well, the first part of the assignment is doing pseudocode, then I make an actual code for the next assignment. Isn't that all? Okay, I have to pee. I'm gonna pee and then we'll code. Base charge. Enter the charge for the food. Is this doing anything? Nothing's changing color. I'm getting scared. Concat the string with the car. What the freak does that mean? You've done it already? Where? Where have I done it? What does the F do? I should put, wait, I'm a genius. Check this out. Yep. You can just use double quotes. Ow! Oh crap. That one. Boom. See, okay. This class is Python, you guys. I can't just change the class. Oh my god. Okay, here I go. Wait, you guys trying to teach me C++? Stop! Stop! Okay, should I just run it and see what happens? Okay, here I go. Saving. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, invalid syntax? And it highlighted the T. What does that mean? Okay, wait, run. What? Why is it highlighting the 2? What is syntax? Oh my god, you are so smart. You are actually the smartest person to ever live. Oh my god, what should the charge of the food be? Oh. Oh. Frick! Oh, simplifying. I'm scared, so I'm actually terrified right now. Oh my god. But that wasn't the issue. But maybe it was? I don't actually know what the issue was. Can I put decimals? Can I put decimals in... It said line 34, which we fixed. 6799. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It worked! It worked! It actually worked! Oh wait, I probably should just do like the total amount is. She's a baby? It's my first day on Coding Earth, guys. I have experienced coding in elementary school when I did Scratch, but that's like the blocks you put together. I made a lot of games on there, but I would just steal code from other people and then like make all the characters and stuff because I don't know what to do. Scratch doesn't count? Okay, then the first time I ever code was yesterday when I followed a guide from my professor. But it's my first time coding without a guide. Stealing code is a good start. Yeah, I stole code from my one friend who was really good at coding on Scratch, and I made a game that got featured, but I didn't code anything. I did level design and art. Understand what's happening in code though? Well, of course. Well, of course I do. What do you mean? Wait, is that it? That's so easy. That's so simple. Is that it? Bro, I can't tell what's a parentheses and what's a squiggly because it's so small! Yes! Yes, that's it! That's it! Yeah, how do I, like, increase the size? There's no settings where I can increase the size, show. If there was, I would have done it already. There is? Okay, well, how about you pull it up, take a screenshot, and send it to me, because I can't find it! Hold control and mouse wheel? No. Plus doesn't work either. Why is it light mode? I don't know. Configure. I could change the font? Wait, size! Oh my god. Ow! Wonderful. Now you guys can't see the whole thing though, so hold on. Told you there were settings. I'm stupid. I think you're done. Yes, I am done. But I have to do another one. But the other one, hello Coconut Man. The other one, the professor gave me the answers to, but he said I have to, like, you know, attempt it myself. Yeah, true. Chat is my textbook. We are replacing the AI. You guys are my little chat GPTs. My name is not Pushmanbird, guys. I don't tell anyone though, 'cause it's my big secret. Declare real. Okay. Area, volume. Christina, this is fake news. Her name is Pushpin. Wait! Milton. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, this is so much better. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, it's actually saved. This is amazing. I'm gonna start coding music like the cool person on TikTok does. Your hair is green like the code? Yes! This is her first day. Like, I can just click a button and see the answer to this whole assignment, by the way. But I'm not doing it because I'm a great student and I will learn. Area, pi, spelled it wrong twice somehow. Wait, they forgot something here. Wait, it's squared. Wait, how do you... Huh? Wait, huh? I know what a squared number is. I mean, how do you write it in the thing? Oh my... Okay, but the textbook? The professor does! It says using the pseudocode style presented in the textbook. She's gonna become a Yandere simulator level coder? You're just writing it? Well, it's how you learn. It's how you learn. Nah. Okay. This is step one. Guys, I can't code. The assignment is literally pseudocode. That's the point of the assignment, is pseudocode. There's another part where I actually code it. But right now, this assignment says, using the pseudocode style in the textbook, write a pseudocode algorithm. We can't skip it. We cannot skip this. Assignment is literally pointless. Okay, whatever. Why is it green now? It was always green. This is the pseudocode. I'm banning everyone in the chat right now, bro. I'm actually done with all of you little creatures. I just rejoined. I don't care. You literally were a computer science major for at least a month. You should know why it's green. Oh wait, yeah, he didn't use Python idle shell. You're so right. The code is right there. Guys, okay, we are not struggling. You guys are struggling. I'm perfectly fine right now. I think I'm the best coder in this room where we're all standing at this very moment. Like, I'm fine. You're all crashing out. I just got here? Okay, doesn't matter. When you get here, you don't magically forget everything that you know in life, okay? You still should have it in your brain. I don't even know the question. Okay, you lose the ability to read too? Because it's on the screen. Using, okay. First I got Mr. Sanctuary telling me that I'm not being specific enough. And then I got Show telling me I'm being too specific. I'm trying to cheat, bro. I can literally just cheat on this assignment by looking at the answer. I'm trying to cheat and betray my family. Had a math? No, well, I haven't actually had math class in a long time. I can't lie to you. Actually, no, I had it last month or like 2 months ago or 3 months ago. But it was like really basic. Yeah, I'm an art major, guys. Like, come on now. Also, like, what is the point of doing this? When am I ever gonna calculate a cylinder? Okay, all the coding geniuses in the chat. What do you think of my pseudocode? Wait. Done. Sucks. All right, I guess. Frick pseudocode. Okay, I'm gonna check my answer now. Surely it's really correct. Oh, why is it freaking doing this to me? Stop! Wait, is it? I got all of it right. Oh my god, I was born for this life. Actually, wait. Set area? Wait, what is this setting thing that he's doing? Wait, mine's so different. What is the point of this? Why not just real code? Wait, but mine is so different from the professor's. I think I should change it. At least simplify what I wrote a little bit. Guys, the assignment is to do what he wrote. He literally said to copy. He said copying is okay.
Your understanding, you can write your own and then see how closely you got to what mine did. And you can just type mine in and see it run and all of that. And for the
type mine in and see it all run.
You can even just submit that.
Even for the lab, you can just submit that. You did it right. Okay, I did it right, but I'm gonna change it to what he wrote so he knows that I don't care. Okay, thank you. But it's going. You're gonna get a job one day? She's gonna have. Okay, whoa. If I'm not getting a job where coding is involved. I'm only doing this so that I can take other classes. Why is there a bunch of like thingies? Like there's a bunch of this behind all of it. What is that? Length. Watch this, not even looking. Float. Input. Guys, this is me. I'm not even copying, guys. I'm just really good. I'm doing this myself. Okay, look, I'm gonna read what I wrote. Not even looking at the example. Enter. Wait. The length of the I'm gonna explode you with my cylinder. Boom, 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 boom. Done. Not even looking at the guy. Now I just looked. I'm a genius. Guys, this is so easy. Tell me why you I looked, I cheated. Boom! Okay, let's test it out! Running. Radius of the cylinder. 3 for show. Length of the cylinder. No one else has numbers in their name, so I'll do 3 again. I don't know if that's right, but I'm going to assume that it is. I did it! Okay, to be fair, I like barely looked at the example anyway. I just used the pseudocode to help me, which I did just steal from the professor. But it's fine. Faster than the first one? Yeah, for sure. Maybe she is learning? Because you're the measurement? Thank you? That crosses off 4 homework assignments. Wait, guys, this is kind of fun. Now the question is, like, should I post this on YouTube or is it, like, way too boring? Pushpinbird screams at chat about coding for 5 minutes.